Part 2. Let's take a look at some examples of how parameters affect the outcome of equations. In this case, we're looking at the outcome in terms of the graphs. The first one is a linear graph or with linear equations. You can see the first one is a linear equation that passes through the origin. That's the equation is y is equal to x, passes through the origin. Now, and this is the another equation where you have parameters. The parameters are 2 and 3, and 2 represents the slope of the graph, and 3 represents the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. So now this graph also represents another graph that passes through the origin but with a parameter of 2, and this 2 also indicates the slope of the graph, but it also indicates how narrow that graph has become. Okay, so you notice that this graph is something as this graph, but with a parameter of 2, making it narrower. In other words, the graph comes closer to the y-axis. So this is how then the third one, of course, is the x passes, the graph crosses the y-axis at a point 3. Now, this is for a linear equation.